Overcoming a fear of fish, hypnosis. So when you're ready, find yourself a comfortable place and take a moment to settle in more comfortably. And you might choose to rest your hands in your lap, or perhaps you let them fall gently by your sides. There's no need to rush, just allow yourself to find the position that's right for you. And as you begin to settle in, you might notice the gentle rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out easily and naturally, as though your body already knows how to guide you toward calmness. Or perhaps you'll become aware of the way your feet feel, grounded, connected to the surface beneath you, holding you securely now. As you breathe, you might start to wonder which part of your body will relax first. Will it be your shoulders, letting go of tension they no longer need? Or perhaps your hands, feeling heavier as they rest there? Or maybe your legs sinking deeper and deeper into comfort? And isn't it interesting how relaxation finds its way to you, no matter where it starts? As nobody wants anything, nobody needs anything. And any sounds around you, in the distance, inside or out, will take you deeper relaxed. And as your eyelids begin to feel heavier, so comfortably heavy that it feels easier to let them close now, you might notice how good it feels to simply let go. You don't have to close them just yet, but if they do, you might find it's even more comfortable that way. And isn't it fascinating that the harder you try to keep them open, the more they naturally want to close, as though your mind is gently inviting you to relax more deeply. And each breath out is like a wave of softly washing away tension, leaving behind a sense of calm. And with every breath in, you can feel a soothing sense of ease flowing through you, like a warm current spreading from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Or perhaps it starts at your toes and moves upward. Either way, it's perfectly fine, because both lead you to the same place, a place of comfort and peace. And as you continue to do that now, as you rest so deeply, your mind is ready to explore a new way of experiencing calm and comfort, especially around fish and water. Because fish are simply a part of the natural world, moving peacefully through the water, existing in their own quiet way. And while they may have once seemed unsettling, your mind is beginning to see them differently. They are gentle creatures, doing what they do with no interest in causing harm. So just imagine for a moment that you're standing near a beautiful, calm body of water. The surface is smooth, reflecting the light in shimmering patterns, and you feel completely safe. And as you look into the water, you might notice fish swimming below. Their movements slow and graceful, like a quiet dance. And instead of fear, you feel a sense of curiosity, perhaps wondering at their peaceful existence. Now, imagine stepping closer to the water. Notice how calm and steady you feel, as though your body and mind are in perfect harmony. And each breath you take reminds you that you are in control, that you are safe. The water and the fish become part of the background, neutral, even calming, as you remain the center of your own experience. And isn't it interesting how the part of you that once felt fear is beginning to transform? Now, it's as though that part is learning something new, realizing that there's no need to react the that way anymore. You might even imagine shrinking that fear down, making it smaller and smaller. I don't know how you do that. And as you do, you make it smaller until it's just a tiny speck that drifts away, leaving behind a powerful sense of calm. And from now on, when you think about fish or water, you notice a growing sense of neutrality. The sights of the movements, even the presence of the fish, will feel manageable, as though they're just another part of the world around you, like trees in the forest or clouds in the sky. And the next time you're near water or see a fish, you'll find it easier to remain calm and grounded. Your breath will guide you, your body will stay steady, and your mind will remind you that you're safe. In fact, you might even begin to appreciate their gentle presence, seeing them as part of the peaceful, rhythmic flow of nature. And each time you spend near water, you'll feel lighter, calmer, and easier. You're steady, you're safe, and you're completely in control. And as those changes take place, from this moment forward, every time you think about fish or water, you'll feel calm, collected, and at ease. And your mind will naturally guide you toward a sense of safety and neutrality, reminding you that fish are just another part of the natural world. And with each new experience, your confidence will grow stronger, and any old fears will continue to fade, as you'll feel steady and strong, like the solid ground beneath you, and completely at peace in the presence of water and fish. And as those changes taking place, as your eyes open or before your eyes open, I don't know, but in a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And with each number, you return to the present moment, bringing with you all the calm confidence and clarity you've created today. 1, beginning to return feeling lighter and more refreshed. 2, bringing with you this deep sense of ease. 3, becoming more aware of the room around you, steady and grounded. 4, almost fully present now, ready to embrace your world with confidence. And 5, eyes open, fully awake, feeling calm, empowered, and ready to enjoy the peacefulness of nature.